Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send high quality image in iMessage on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down and tap on message. Now scroll down and look for low quality image mode. If it's turned on, your image are sent in lower quality to save data. Turn this off to ensure your image are sent in high resolution. Next, make sure you are sending image using iMessage, not SMS. Blue bubbles mean iMessage support high quality image. Green bubbles means SMS which compress image and reduce quality. Now open the message app and go to the conversation where you want to send the image. Tap on the camera icon or photo icon to select your image from the photos app. Select the image you want to send. You can select multiple images at once or batch sending. Once ready, tap the send button. Your image will be sent in high quality, and that's it. Now you know how to send high quality images on iMessage on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.